When rocking, always recover. Starting with our right foot, we're going to step it forward and then you recover, bringing the weight back to your left. Try that again. Rocking forward on the right. 1, recover, 2. Let's try it to the right side. Rocking to the right. 1, recover, 2. Bring it together. Let's try your left foot. Rocking forward. 1, recover, 2. Let's try it to the left. 1, recover, 2. A rock can also be traveling back. Back, recover, onto the opposite foot. Let's try a back rock with our right foot. Stepping back on the right, we rock 1 and recover 2. Bring your feet together. We can also do a cross rock. Let's start with our right foot. We're going to cross step right over left, 1, and recover the weight back on 2. Bring your feet together. Let's try a left cross rock, over for 1, and recover back on 2. When you are rocking, you want to keep both feet connected to the floor at all times. 1, 2. 1, 2. And forward, 1, recover, 2. Bring it together, and you're going back, 1, recover, 2. Cross rock, 1, recover, 2. We can also go behind with a back rock behind, back, recover, bring it together, and try with the right, back, recover, together.